Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Monster Bear from Zoonomaly. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw the eyes with 2 circles. And now let's color both of these in black. Next, underneath, let's draw the nose. Underneath each eye, let's draw a curve. And then 2 nostrils inside. Now top down and draw the mouth. We'll start with a curve across, like this. And then a larger curve underneath. Now let's move inside and draw the teeth. Let's draw a skinny V-shape down on top. And then work our way out on both sides. And now let's do the same thing for the bottom row. And now let's color the inside of the mouth in black. And that's it for the face. Now let's move out and draw the shape of the head. We'll start with a curve on top. Now on both sides, let's curve it around the mouth and then bring it down for the neck. And now top back up and draw the ears. Let's draw a curve on the top left and the same on the right side. And then another curve inside each ear. And now let's color both insides in black. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Underneath each side of the neck, let's angle it down for the shoulders. And then 2 curves down for the tops of the arms. Now underneath each arm, let's draw a curve in for the sides of the body. And then bring it down on both sides. Now for the hips, let's angle it back out. Now let's move underneath and let's draw the legs. Let's hop in between and let's draw a small line across. And then underneath on each side, let's draw a set of angles down. And then 2 lines down underneath each of the legs. And now for the feet, let's draw a curve out and back in. And that's it for the legs. Now let's move back up and finish drawing the arms. Underneath each arm, let's draw 2 angles down. Now for the hands, we'll start from the inside line and let's draw a curve down and back up for the thumbs. And then a larger curve down and back up for the rest of the fingers. And that's it for Monster Bear. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!